finished, open your favorite browser and navigate to templatesinn.net website. Here, you can create various documents online such as cover pages, ID cards, certificates, calendars, and more. To generate a doctor's note in PDF format, head to the prescription pad menu located at the top. Within the prescription pad section, choose from a variety of pre-designed templates. Look for a doctor's note/excuse online, among them, accompanied by two options: download in MS Word format and edit online. Click Edit Online to proceed. This action redirects you to the page where you can customize your doctor's note. On the right side, you'll find a preview image showcasing how your final note will appear. In the middle of the page, there's a form where you can input the doctor's full name, education/degree, position, hospital/department, and subject of the note. For demonstration purposes, I'll input some dummy data to illustrate the process. Within the doctor's note/excuse area, you can provide all necessary details regarding the patient's condition and medical information. Notice the Load from Notes Templates button just above this section. Clicking it will open a pop-up featuring a comprehensive list of doctor's note samples. Choose the relevant one from options like Doctor's Note Medical Certificate for Depression, Doctor's Note for Urinary Tract Infection, UTI, etc., and click Use this template. The selected sample note will load into the field with all the placeholders. You can easily replace them with your own information. After customization, scroll down to find the signature box where you can digitally sign the note. Once complete, click Preview and Download. This action directs you to another page where you can preview your note. It's a high-quality printable PDF. If any adjustments are needed, click Make Adjustments to go back and make changes. Finally, cross-check the final note and hit the Download button to obtain your doctor's note in high printable quality PDF format. And that's it. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you and have a great day.